reject and accept, or fail to reject.
Mm-hmm.
So because we have a p-value of 0.179 and a level of significance of 0.05, we have sufficient evidence, right? Is that what is? That's how I remember it.
So yeah, when p is greater, we fail to reject,
right.
Which means we have insufficient evidence.
We have insufficient. Okay. So then,
because we don't have it. So I think it's the C.
You want to tell Heather that we're just it's not like the, where'd it go? It's not the
It's just we don't have it to submit the video.
That's for this week or next week?
Oh well,
both of them.
see.
Just
Here, let me make sure. I'm gonna open up.
Yeah.
The thing you can see. Group meeting collaboration. Yeah, I'm so confused because I read that email and I thought that's what this lesson was about. So that's why I obviously went ahead and took it, but I don't know if that was.
Oh, where's 221? There it is.
Well, let's see. So there is a group collaboration, but no one has posted in it when usually there's like 2 people that post in it for us. I don't know.
Let's see, is it? Okay, so yeah, so it's 15. I'll just say that we thought this. Let's
see, just a second.
I'm just gonna tell you that we thought that we didn't have to do them for the next 2, so we'll just meet up with her at the normal time and do it. That way.
Yeah, I'm recording this one. We can send that to her too, but I guess we can.
Yeah, that way she can get the group credit.
Yeah, right. Yeah, because that's weird. So this one we do have to submit then, huh?
Yeah, it's just like the review for quizzes.
Okay.
Okay, so
let me go back out of that then.
What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of 3 types of hot dog? So we don't have sufficient evidence, or no.
We have insufficient.
Okay, because they word it weird. They say we have evidence, and they say we have sufficient evidence to reject. So that would be we have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dog types have a different mean sodium level, right? From how they word it, I think.
The first one, A.
That we have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same mean sodium levels.
Right. Yeah, that's the only one that would make sense.
Okay. Let's
But let me. I don't know, because so P was definitely greater than alpha, which means we failed to reject the null, and the null was that it would
have the same sodium types.
That what? Sorry, you cut out.
They all have the same mean level of sodium.
They all have the same mean level of sodium. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
So I would definitely think A would be the right answer.
That's what I was like thinking to at first, and I was just like, I think I understand what they were asking the right way. Do you want to go look at? We can go look at the rest of them really quick.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay. So for 3, I put true.
Yeah, I have true too.
And then 4, I have data in each group are normally distributed and variances are equal in each group.
See, I wasn't sure about the variances equal in each group. I know obviously data in each group are normally distributed, but
Yeah.
I don't remember. Like I tried to look over that in the textbook, so I couldn't find anything about that. But like it has to be more than one, I'm sure. So
yeah. So 3.2 requirements of ANOVA. It says the data are normally distributed in each group, and the variances are equal for each group.
okay.
Um,
I thought it was the two requirements were they're normally distributed in the largest variance is not more than 4 times the smallest variance.
that's part of the checking the variances, which is part of the variances are equal.
Okay.
So that's the next step in checking variances. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following: construct a plot for each
QQ.
group.
Yeah.
Is that what you put?
Yeah, QQ.
Okay, and then 6, the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Yep. B.
7,
And 7 is 6.
I did it 3 times because I was like, did I do it right?
Yeah, I just wrote it out like in my head, like what would be what makes sense.
Yeah. 8, I put 27.208.
Yep, me too.
9,
9.
3.
I got 53.158.
Yeah. And then I said true for 10.
Let's see. So how do we know the tests for equal variance is satisfied?
That's the largest one is not more than 4 times the smallest one.
Oh, right. Okay.
11, I said true.
Based on and approximately normal, what is that entail that
They follow the line.
Okay.
They're evenly distributed. Yeah. 12, I said 0.309.
Yep.
Which is weird that like it gave you a bunch of the stuff and you're like, is this right?
Yeah.
13, I said left from what I read in the book. Wait, no, I got it backwards. It should be right.
Yeah, I'm right.
Yeah, I flipped the book around, so that was on me. So it's 13 is right. 14, I said the first one, the assumptions have been met. Normally distributed population, and we can assume the variances are equal.
Yes, me too.
And then 15, we have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same number of mean calories. 16, the assumptions have been met. It is okay to assume each group comes from a normally distributed population. We can also assume that the variances are equal.
So 16 is the only one I have different.
What do you have?
I have the last one, D. The assumptions have not been met. It's not safe to assume each group comes from a normally distributed population. We cannot assume the variances are equal. Let's see why. Oh wait, I never changed that. That's right. That's why I thought it was 71,000.
Oh.
Never mind. Okay, so that's A, right? That's what I'm assuming.
That's what I said.
Okay.
And then 17, I had the 0.179, and you put 0.000, which is weird that yours would give that to you.
I don't understand. Yeah, I really don't. Why that? Well, I mean, I don't know. But yeah, so we agree on all the answers, and that one's just funky. I'm not sure why.
That's weird. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just wait for 145 with Heather.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and submit it and see
Okay.
if we got any wrong.
See how
It
you
was 0.179 for 17, right?
do.
What you said.
What I got.
What was that?
Yeah, 0.179.
Okay. Oh, we got 18 on 20.
There are only 18 questions, though.
Well, there's the two.
Yeah.
The first two are worth 2 points each.
So wait, so what did we miss?
Question 18 was wrong, and question 15 is wrong.
The two I had questions about.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the p-value 0.000 with the level of significance equal to 0.05 for 15.
Yeah.
We have sufficient evidence to claim that all three Okay, wait. So our p-value is less than alpha. So we reject.
Right.
So we would then have. So we would not have sufficient evidence. Or wait. We have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of the hot dogs has a different mean number of calories than another type. Would be the right answer.
Yes, that's right. Because they used to word it like we have insufficient evidence, and now it's like the assumptions have been met. It's just confusing. But yeah, that's right. That sounds. Which one is that?
That's 15. It's D for me.
D. We have sufficient evidence to claim at least one of the hot dogs. Okay, yeah, that's right.
And then 18. What conclusion can you draw about the sodium levels of the three types of hot dog? So we would have.
So it's not D. Let's see. And we know that the p-value is 0.179 because that was confirmed. So the p is definitely greater than alpha. So we know for sure that we failed to reject.
So we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim. So it's B. We do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all three hot dog types have the same mean sodium levels.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, let me submit it and see how we did.
Just make sure and confirm that that's right.
Yeah, 100.
Sweet. Now we know.
Yeah. That's so weird that it gives you. Oh, 20 out of 20 points. Duh. My brain's not working today.
Yeah, sounds confusing at first. Well, I'm gonna work on the homework, and then at 2:45. I mean,
145.
1:45 your time. I always get it mixed up. I will do a call this again up with Heather, and we'll just kind of go over it so we all understand everything better too for the exam coming up.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. See you in an hour or so.
Yeah, see ya.